Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price went up with around 3.3%. But then came quickly down again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 3,806. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 3,791, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 3,820 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is in the hourly ribbon, so you should see if the ribbon could hold support, currently at around 3,793. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 51, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price crossed the 20 SMA upwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 3,798, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 3,878 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should watch out for the price dipping back below the ribbon, or if it will play as a support to the downside, which is currently at around 3,802. Looking at the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 52. So it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 20 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. The current price is between the 200 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 3,394, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 3,899 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 4,006. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 45, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.